Alright guys, so we're at IKEA because we're going to not buy anything. But also we're gonna meet up with some friends and, you know, just look around, window shop, maybe get some food. They already got food because I was late. Yeah, I was late, but yeah, I'll see you guys inside.
I don't know how many bedrooms there are in this house or bathrooms, but we're gonna find out right now. Come on over. So this state-of-the-art kitchen features granite countertop and this cooker that's white.
It's an induction stove.
Induction stove. We have a double door fridge that is just super spacious and has two levels of freezer or frozen bars. Wait, let me actually go my bag.
Wait, that's a vlog, right?
Yeah. What is your impression on the poutine and the garlic bread? What do you think of this IKEA?
Bougie as
Have you been to an IKEA?
I've been to one, but the one I've been to is like similar to like the Costco.
Oh,
Like,
that's lame. That's sad.
Sad.
Yeah.
Ottawa bus IKEA.
Exactly.
No, honestly, this is the best idea I've ever been to.
Yeah, wait till you see the exhibits over there. We have our lovely, I was gonna say fashion designer.
Yeah, you're great. Where'd you go? Alright, so it's the second day. It's like May something. But yeah, turns out the IKEA run yesterday turned into more plans today, so yeah, I guess you guys will see for yourself. Yes, we're waiting for our good friend Clary. Sabi niya, which means she said. She said, hang on, who are you referring to? Said 1 o'clock, it's 1:10. So in 10 minutes, oh, she's here.
Hello.
Hola.
Wait lang, hunger ko po.
Alright, we're gonna go get, nope, we're gonna get Angela now.
Yes.
Yeah.
What?
There you
My face. Hello guys. Sorry for the very attractive entrance. Where are we going?
My landlord said we should go check out Dow's Lake.
Dow's Lake?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you know what that is?
A lake?
Yeah, but you know what Dow's Lake is known for?
No.
Valid.
E. coli? I don't know. Sorry.
I know what E. coli is.
I was like, is that the... Sorry, I didn't have my glasses on, and I thought your car was the other car over there, on the other side.
No.
Okay, oh my god, sorry. You're on a red light. Good, okay. Okay.
Hello. Oh my god.
My fault.
Hello, baby girl.
Hi.
Oh my god, I was supposed to wear a black dress today.
Why didn't you?
Because I'm saving that for Wednesday.
What are we doing here, guys?
We are walking in the sun for a mental health walk because vitamin D is really good and
It's summer. Angela, thoughts? I'm melting.
Welcome to Lansdowne, everyone.
Is this your third, second time here?
This is my third time here.
Yeah,
There's
it's
ice
his
cream.
third time.
Ice cream. Oh, ice cream.
There's
Get some
also
ice cream.
the rolled ice. Yes. That one's really good. There's also gelato. There's a sushi place here.
Where?
It's like a 10.
Oh yeah.
I love that. There's also turntable.
Oh yes. Mr.
Oh, they
Pops.
have a little pineapple juice.
Where?
A turntable.
Yeah.
There's pineapple juice at
Yeah,
church.
it tastes like the one from Jollibee.
Can't see anything.
Jollibee juice.
Oh, good. Why are they all lining up?
Oh, this is rolled brother.
No.
They should stop for us.
Yeah, right. We're the important people.
We have right of way.
We have the sunshines here.
They're gonna think we're vloggers.
Yeah, we're famous. We're famous.
そんなんじゃダメもうそんなんじゃほら心は進化するよもっともっと 言葉にすれば消えちゃう関係なら言葉を消せばいいんやって思ってた恐れてただけどあれなんか違うかも千人の道も一歩から石のように硬いそんな石で塵も積もれば山となでしこ芯抜きでいや死抜きでふわふわりふわふわるあなたが名前を呼ぶそれだけで宙へ浮かぶふわふわるふわふわりあなたが笑っているそれだけで笑顔になる神様ありがとう運命のいたずらでも巡り会えたことが幸せなの
We can't make a decision where to go.
It's possible.
Who do you want?
Depending on Jacob and Daya. Like, what are you doing, man?
What do you want to do? I'm gonna ring. Oh my gosh, she's engaged! You are not invited to my wedding. I'm kidding.
Wow, that's a little.
Damn. After all we've been through? Wait, who are you calling? Ghostbuster.
I think I call her.
クラクラリクラクラるあなたを見上げたらそれだけで眩しすぎてクラクラるクラクラリあなたを思っているそれだけで溶けてしまう神様ありがとう運命のいたずらでも巡り会えたことが幸せなの
Let's speak now. That's embarrassing. Oh my god, take a picture of me.
Ready and action.
Kung wala ka nang maintindihan
夜朝までずっとそばにいて合図をしたって言わないの全然気づかずもう頬を 何が欲しいとそう言ってよ